Refrigerator, you got it?
No, it's sitting on the armrest. Huh? It's recording, dude.
What's recording? The camera? Oh, it is. Oops, I didn't even know. Flying upstairs.
Out of my face.
Don't you feel special?
Oh, nigga.
Woo!
You know my mother, I know it's answering.
8 minutes. What's up? Whoa, hello. Hello there.
Where'd y'all go?
What are
Don't
you
tell him.
What are you looking at on the TV, huh? What is there, huh? What is that, huh? Huh? Words, I see. What do they spell, huh? Huh?
You would mess up that lens, huh? We don't answer to anyone, son.
Oh.
You guys are down to it?
Oh.
No.
That was like 10 minutes. Was it recording the whole time we were outside?
No.
What's the video?
There's no video, son.
Pick up the
Yes,
freaking
son.
thing, nigga.
Yes, son.
Yo, man.
Yes,
You nuts, you crazy. Camera in danger like that?
Huh?
I never seen that before.
Ooh. It's like an acid trip.